Hi everyone, welcome back to our face fitness lesson. Today we're going to continue working with our eye bags, and the first exercise we're going to place our wrists on our temples. We're going to elevate our temples slightly up like this. Our shoulders will be down, and we're going to hold this position for a couple of seconds and noticing how the temple zone starts to relax, starts to stretch up. And if you want to have a more advanced exercise, you can lower your mouth down like this, and that way you'll stretch the whole under eye area as well. As you're doing this, make sure that your upper teeth are hugged by your upper lip so that you're not creating any wrinkles above your lip. Hold it here, and now look up and hold and blink for 5 times. 4, 3, 2, 1, and now glide your hands up towards your hair and gently relax your temple area. You can shake off your arms, your hands. Inhale, exhale. Next exercise, we're going to place our fingers on our temple. Our mouth is going to open slightly like this, and our upper hand is going to glide towards our eyebrow, and our lower hand is going to glide down and guiding our mouth to move more down, opening our jawline slightly more. But again, this is a very intuitive motion. You're not forcing it. Perfect. Let's do the same on the opposite side. Placing your fingers on the temple, diving deeper into the tissues, and opening your mouth and separating the fingers away from each other. One hand is reaching your cheekbone, another one reaching your eyebrow area. Once you do, come back to the center. Next exercise, we're going to place our fingers at the eye corner, and with our index finger, we're going to scoop the tissue up towards our eye like this. Up, up, up. So we're relaxing the zone here. We're getting rid of the eye bags, and we are getting rid of the excess lymph that accumulates in this zone. You can even press on your eyeball, don't be afraid. Up, up, up. This is a good time to check on your posture. Take an inhale, exhale, and do a couple more times here. As you're doing this, make sure that your opposite hand, the one that is just holding the position, is pressing at the eye corner. And then come back to the center and gently tap on the skin to calm the tissues down. Let's do the same on the opposite side. Perfect. Come back to the center and gently tap on this zone here. Next exercise, we're going to place our fingertips on our temples. We're going to raise the skin of our temples slightly up, and our mouth will be open down like so, and we're stretching the area under our eyes. Holding it here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Relax. Gently tap on the tissues and shake off your arms, your hands. Now we're going to use the sides of our index fingers, and we're going to start moving in zigzag motion from our cheekbone towards our hairline. And you can move as fast as you want to warm up this area, to warm up the muscle, and to get rid of excess lymph. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Perfect. Let's do the same on the opposite side. From the cheekbone up towards our hairline, moving our index fingers. Your shoulders are down, your posture is good. Both feet are on the floor. Take an inhale with your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Let's do 1 more. And come back to the center and gently tap on your temples. Next exercise, we're going to glide our fingers from the corner of our eye towards our temple. With our opposite index finger, we're going to move in circular motion on the bone under the gentle skin of our eye, very slowly. We're going to keep moving until we reach our temple. As you're doing this, notice any bumps, any tension along the line, and if you do feel that, stay in that area for a little bit more. Massage in circular motion a bit more. You can even move from side to side to relax it further, and then glide further away towards your temple. Once you reach your temple, gently tap on your skin to calm the tissues down. And let's do the same on the opposite side. Gliding our fingers towards the temple area, using our index finger, starting from the corner of our eye, moving in circular motions to relax the bone right under our eye. And I'm not moving on the gentle skin, I'm moving on the bone directly until I reach the temple area. Once I reach my temple area, using our hand to tap on the skin to calm the tissues down. Now using our fingers to glide from the corners of our eyes towards our temples, and lower your head slightly towards the front to relax the back of your neck area, moving the lymph away from our eyes towards our temples. And then we're going to press on our temples and glide down towards our collarbones. Now using our thumbs, we're going to rest all the fingers on the forehead. And with our thumbs, we're going to press under the corners of our eyebrow. And we're going to separate our thumbs away from each other like this, gliding them towards the middle of the eyebrow, but just until that point. And then we're going to come back and keep going. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Come back to the center. Now we're going to stretch our mouth downwards like this. And with our index fingers, we're going to move in circular motion all the way up towards our nose until we reach our eye corners. Once we reach our eye corners, we're going to come back and keep going like this. And one more time. Amazing. Gently tap on your nose. Last exercise for today, we're going to place our fingers on our eyelids, and in circular motion, we're going to massage like this towards our center a couple of times, and then in counterclockwise direction as well. So let's start first towards the center. Keep going here. Relax all your facial muscles, unclench your jaw, relax your forehead, and make sure that your posture is good. Your feet are on the floor. Take a big inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out, all the stress and tension from your face, and then rotate in counterclockwise direction in circles like this as well. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. That's all for today's practice. I hope you're feeling better, feeling more rejuvenated, and I will see you again in the next routine.